Christmas is more than a season, it's a feeling. And nothing captures that magic better than the perfect Christmas tree. Today, we're diving into the most stunning artificial Christmas trees of 2025 trees, designed to bring warmth, elegance, and holiday cheer into your home. First up, the Yahidic 6 feet snow-flocked pre-lit Christmas tree. Imagine walking into your living room and being greeted by a soft golden glow, thanks to 250 warm incandescent lights. With 820 lush branch tips dusted in snow, this tree transforms any space into a winter wonderland. The hinge design means setup is quick and stress-free, so you spend less time assembling and more time decorating with family. And when the season ends, the collapsible trunk and foldable base make storage simple. This isn't just a tree, it's a canvas for your creativity, ready to hold ornaments, garlands, and memories. This tree is designed to look and feel lifelike. With 1,346 individually crafted tips, the branches are full-bodied, giving you plenty of room for lights and ornaments. The hinged branches drop into place for easy setup. And when the holidays are over, they fold back for compact storage. Built with hypoallergenic, fire-resistant needles, this tree is safe, sturdy, and made to last. It's not just decoration, it's a tradition, ready to create magical holiday moments year after year. For those who want a centerpiece that feels straight out of a winter forest, the 8 feet snow-dusted holiday tree is breathtaking. With 2,850 dense branch tips, frosted snow accents, and decorations like 91 red berries and 91 pine cones, this tree brings nature indoors. The hinged trunk makes setup effortless, while the heavy-duty metal stand ensures stability even when fully decorated. Perfect for large living rooms, lobbies, or event spaces, this tree creates a festive atmosphere that feels both elegant and inviting. It's more than decor, it's a statement piece. Finally, the National Tree Company's 7.5 feet pre-lit Dunhill fir. This tree combines tradition with technology. With 2,514 tips and a wide 59-inch base, it looks incredibly lifelike. But the real magic is in the lighting system. 900 dual-color LED bulbs that switch between warm white and multicolor. With 10 different light functions: twinkle, fade, flash, controlled by a foot pedal, you can change the mood instantly. Built with fire-resistant needles and a durable metal base, this tree is safe, sturdy, and designed to bring joy for years. It's the ultimate blend of convenience, beauty, and innovation. So, whether you're drawn to the snowy charm of the Yahidic, the lifelike spruce from National Tree Company, the woodland elegance of the 8 feet snow-dusted tree, or the dazzling LED lights of the Dunhill fir, each of these Christmas trees offers something unique. They're not just decorations. They're the heart of your holiday home, the backdrop for laughter, gifts, and unforgettable memories. If you enjoyed this showcase, hit subscribe and ring the bell for more holiday inspiration. Drop a comment below. Which tree would you choose for your home this Christmas? And don't forget to share this video with friends and family, because the magic of Christmas is meant to be shared.